We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4 by 12 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 4-foot sides. Up front, we do have your jack coupler and safety chains. This does have your spare tire holder. Along the sides, you do have your built-in tie-down points. It has 4-foot mesh. This is a single axle trailer. It does have a single Greaseable 3,500 pound axle with 15-inch wheels and tires. Has your black diamond plate fender. This is wired with your LED drive lights. Has a reinforced rear loading gate. Your floor is pressure treated wood. Once again, this is the 6.4 by 12 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 4-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.